Welcome to this Ropework collection, where practical skill meets simple technique. In this video, you'll learn a variety of useful knots and rope methods that can be applied in everyday situations. From camping and outdoor adventures to DIY projects, securing loads, organizing gear, or handling emergency repairs. Ropework is one of the oldest and most reliable technologies humans have ever used. Long before modern tools existed, people depended on knots for shelter, transportation, fishing, sailing, and survival. Even today, knowing how to tie the right knot can save time, prevent accidents, and make difficult tasks much easier. This is not about complicated theory, it's about practical knots you can actually use. Each method shown in this collection is designed to be simple to remember, quick to tie, and strong enough for real-world use. Whether you're working in construction, enjoying car camping, setting up equipment, handling cargo, or just want to improve your hands-on skills, these rope techniques are meant to be functional, efficient, and repeatable. You don't need special tools. You don't need prior experience. Just a piece of rope, and a little practice. As you watch, try following along. Pause when needed, repeat the movements, and you'll quickly build muscle memory. Rope work becomes easier the moment your hands understand the pattern. If you enjoy learning practical skills like these, consider subscribing. This channel focuses on real techniques, real tools, and real solutions you can apply immediately. Now, let's begin with the first knot.
The candles are burning low. One for each night they shed a sweet light to remind us of days long ago. Hanukkah, oh Hanukkah, come light the menorah. Let's have a party, we'll all dance the hora. Gather around the table, we'll give you a treat. Sevivo need to play with and lots of sweets. And while we are playing, the candles are burning low. One for each night they shed a sweet light to remind us of days long ago. One for each night they shed a sweet light to remind us of days long ago. Hey!
How still